Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all blocks in Minecraft. Let's dive right into the various methods available. Whether you prefer the freedom of creative mode, the challenge of survival, or the precision of commands, there's a way for everyone to collect every single block. We'll cover each approach, giving you a comprehensive guide to expanding your block collection. Creative mode is by far the easiest way to get every block. Simply open your inventory, and you'll find an organized list of every single block in the game, ready for you to use. You can search for specific items, making it incredibly simple to locate even the rarest blocks. Just drag them into your inventory and start building. In survival mode, collecting blocks is a core part of the gameplay loop. You'll need to mine natural blocks using the correct tools, like a diamond pickaxe for obsidian. Many blocks require crafting from raw materials you gather, such as wood planks from logs. Exploring diverse biomes will also reveal unique blocks, adding to the adventure of your collection. For precise control, commands are an excellent option. The /give command allows you to instantly add any block to your inventory. You simply type /give at P, followed by the block's identifier and the desired quantity, like 64. This method is especially handy for obtaining blocks that are difficult to find or impossible to craft in survival mode, giving you ultimate flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.